Here's the app called DOKICHAT, Romantic AI Chat and Roleplay. So you can just tap Get to install it. And this is just where you have it. Feel the heartbeat on every chat with AI. Safe place to share daily life and feelings. Open and interesting conversations. Huge selection of quality characters. Meet friends who like the same plots. This app hasn't been in the top charts, but it's an interesting app. You can create unique characters or explore user-made content for endless engaging conversation. Charming characters, smart AI chat, free create, unlimited role-playing. And then you can just open it up. Let's just try to create an account. And then here, this is just what you have: your gender, your age. And then, yeah, you can then just start it out. And then this is how you can just swipe through and then just start to chat. Similar to Talkie AI or any other app in this category, you can just tap plus, follow favorites, chat history. And then you can also upgrade DOKICHAT Ultra, $130 annually, monthly $20 per month. And then here you see chat setting. You can see reply lengths, but some of the settings require you have pro subscription. Then you have character. This is just what it is. So that's what you have. There are some posts, and then you have your account, upgrade plan, Discord. You can get more tasks, you can get some rewards, so you can invite friends. So there is some invitation code. Invite your friends to DOKICHAT with your invitation code. You will both get 100 hearts. So this is the idea. So something like that. That's what it is.